You can hear train horns on the Norfolk Southern Lurgan branch down in Mount Holly. And traffic coming, but the roads are snow-packed, slippery, and it's very heavy snow. Very heavy snow still falling. Piling up at a rapid rate. The roads are heavily snow-covered and packed. Coming to you live from Carlisle, Cumberland County. This is J-Mac firefighter giving you the scoop on the outside road conditions, the snowpack and the coverage. And it's starting to get deep in the grassy areas. They shoveled the sidewalk, but the roads are deep too. It's piling up. People are trying to clean off their cars. There's my intersection. North Bedford and East Lowther Street. There's the intersection. Heavily snow covered, packed. I'll walk out, look down. There's looking down East Lowther Street. Looking down South Bedford towards the intersection of High Street, where they're snow-packed and covered. Looking west towards Hanover and West Lowther Street, where Union Fire Company Station 41 is at. And looking up Bedford. It is just crazy wicked out here, folks. This is not the type of storm you want to be out driving in. It's not safe road conditions. It's very unpleasant. The wind is starting to pick up a little bit. The snow is still coming down. Pretty moderate to heavy. Parking lots recovered like the plow truck didn't even touch it earlier. And there's how heavy the snow is. You look at the dark building. You can see how much snow is falling, how heavy it's coming down. It is just sick. I give a special shout out to my brother, Peyton Robinson in Clifton Heights, Pennsylvania. What's up, Pate? Special shout out to my neighbor, Aaron Kennedy. There's his green Chevrolet car covered, and soon it's gonna be more covered than that. My buddy Doug's truck. Just everything that it sticks to, it pretty much lays on and covers. This is just a massive, massive snowstorm. It's wreaking havoc. And now I was given an update about a half hour ago on the weather, and it said that this snow is to go into between now 7:30 and 8 o'clock before winding down to light snow. But we can still pick up an additional 3 to 6 from now till 8 p.m. And then overnight, an additional 1 to 3 inches is possible before it's out of here in the pre-dawn hours of Sunday morning. And there's the Mac Castle with the obvious CFD Christmas lights in the window, my AC unit. My neighbor's upstairs, but there's me on the ground floor, first floor. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace out and drive safe if you're out in this. I recommend you don't, though. If you can, stay at home. Later.